What's the scariest question in foundation repair? Not how much does it cost. The scariest question is, do I really need that many piers? Sometimes you do, but sometimes you don't. And if the company does not find out why your house moved before I sell you piers, that sentence can cost you $10, $20, even $30,000. I'm Richard Rash. I've been in the foundation business for more than 40 years. I've inspected around 8,000 homes. During that time, I've seen people spend thousands of dollars fixing the wrong problem. That's my main point. Houses move for different reasons. Some need drainage correction. Some need plumbing repair. Some simply need time to dry. Some need piers. Some absolutely do not. That's where I separate myself from foundation companies. I don't sell foundation repairs. I help homeowners determine whether they actually need it. Richard Rash, Independent Foundation Repair Consultant. Call or text 817-308-8186. Remember, the wrong diagnosis is usually more expensive than the foundation problem itself. Contact me now to take advantage of my July special. Save $150 off of my usual fee. Same inspection, same report, just $150 discount. Call or text now. 4 things to think about. Free inspections are sales calls. Foundation companies sell piers. I provide solutions. And there is a good chance that you might not even need foundation piers. Before you spend $5, $10, $20, even $30,000, spend a few minutes getting independent advice first.